Hello, amazing third graders. Well, this is our last week of writing assignments. So I'm looking forward to everyone staying focused on making sure that you do your work this week so that you can get those passing grades. Our last week of writing is focusing on our parts of speech, and there are 8 parts of speech. I would like for you to make sure you go into the Google Docs and look at those 8 parts of speech. Each day there would be a question in regards to those 8 parts of speech. Without our parts of speech, we wouldn't be able to have conversations. It's very essential in our life that we have those parts of speech, like the nouns, the verbs, the pronouns, the adjectives, adverbs, interjections, and conjunctions. And those are our 8 parts of speech that make up our language each day when we're writing and when we're speaking. I also look forward to seeing you guys today sometime when you come up to the school so that I can see your faces and congratulate you guys for moving on to 4th grade. Again, I miss everyone. I hope that this pandemic will have us in a position that we can start school in the building in August, and then I'd be able to wave at each of you and just say hello and see your smiling faces. Thank you and enjoy this last week of writing, focusing on our 8 parts of speech.